तुम लोग नए हो तो यार सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ दबाओ यार, बस दबाओ।
गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड्स, मेरी आवाज अब तक पहुंच रही है? ओके। I launched the book Diabetes Free World. Inside that book, there are certain techniques, certain methods which can help you free yourself from diabetes. It has been already 10 years I've been in the field of diabetes. So I've seen more than 20,000 diabetes patients. This means I've seen a lot of blood sugar patient. So diabetes patients are called the blood sugar patient. So I saw a lot of blood and I saw a lot of sugar also, as you have seen also. But I have never seen blood sugar. Never in my life have seen a blood sugar. I have done research work, even got an honorary PhD from Alliance International University, Lusaka, for my research work. Thank you. Thank you. So, I got one input in last 10 years of my study. There is nothing called blood sugar. No one has seen blood sugar. Anybody seen blood sugar? You cannot see blood sugar because it do not exist. If you know the truth behind it, the same day, you can be free of diabetes. I am saying blood sugar do not exist. I am not saying blood sugar patient do not exist. So, I am saying blood sugar do not exist. Blood sugar patient exists, which we call diabetes. So, when we were preparing for this program, and I planned to share this secret with you, there is nothing called blood sugar. And once you know this, from the same day, you can be free of diabetes. So thank you friends, thank you. While I was preparing for it, sending you invitation, you came from all across the country and many of you from out of India. I got a mail yesterday night from my university. The mail was, if you conduct this program on 12th of November 2017 in Shri Fort, and if you reveal the secret, your doctorate degree will cancel. Either you change your content or be prepared, your doctorate degree will be cancelled. So now I have two options. I can change my content so as to preserve my doctorate degree, or let the content be the same and let me forget about the doctorate degree. Which one you want? First or second? I'm just asking, which one you want? First or second? Huh? Second one? How many of you want the second one? How many want the first one? Nobody. So, that is a kind of threat which I got. But then, it reminded me of my one friend. He is right here with us. Srivardhan, can you please come on the stage? इनका एक डायलॉग याद आ गया मुझे. So, वो डायलॉग अगर आप एक बार और बता देंगे मुझे, तो वो हिम्मत आ जाएगी. I will go for second one.
सन्नाटे को चीरती सनसनी सन्न कर देती है इंसान को. मुजरिम को खबरदार करना हमारा फर्ज. जुर्म से महफूज रहना आपका हक. देखिए सनसनी हर रात 11 बजे सिर्फ एबीपी न्यूज पर. आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत साधुवाद.
So friends, I've chosen the second one. I thought, let the truth reach to the people. So the truth is, thank you, there is nothing called blood sugar. If you understand this, instantly you will be free of diabetes. Instantly you will be protected from heart disease. You will be protected from heart attack. You will be protected from brain stroke. I am not saying there is nothing called brain stroke or heart attack. There is a disease called heart disease. But you can protect it. Protect yourself from that. If you understand only one thing, and that is, there is nothing called blood sugar. To make you understand this, I made a small cup or a glass, it is called food index glass. That glass will reach to all of you. There is a small tool I made for all of you, which you will take it as a gift from my side, from today itself. And through that tool, you will understand the confusion and the conspiracy behind blood sugar. Now here, it all started about 100 years back. 1918, when the first diabetes medicine was invented. Exactly 100 years back. 2 days after this, it is 14th of November is World Diabetes Day. So there cannot be any more appropriate time to expose the confusion and the conspiracy behind blood sugar. Here,